means there's a network, service, or account-related issue. Here's a step-by-step advanced fix for PC and Xbox. Had our step-by-step fix. Xbox network login error. 1. Check Xbox network status. First, check if Xbox Live is down. It at support.xbox.com/Xbox Live status, Xbox Live status. If services like account and profile, cloud gaming, or social and gaming are down, you'll need to wait until Microsoft resolves it. 2. Check Internet and NAT type. On PC, 1. Open Settings, Network and Internet. 2. Ensure you're connected to a stable network. 3. Open Command Prompt, type cmad ping xbox.com. Check if packets are received without timeout. 4. Optional, switch to Google DNS, primary 8.8.8, secondary 8.8.4.8.4. On Xbox, 1. Go to Settings, General, Network Settings. 2. Run Test Network Connection. 3. NAT type should be open. If it's strict or moderate, restart your router or enable UPnP in router settings. 3. Restart everything. Restart your PC or Xbox console, restart your modem router, wait 30 seconds before plugging back in. 4. Sign out and back into your Xbox account. On PC, 1. Open an Xbox app, click on Profile, sign out. 2. Open Microsoft Store, click on Profile, sign out. 3. Sign back in with the same Microsoft account on both. On Xbox, go to Settings, Account, Remove Accounts. Remove your profile and re-add it. 5. Clear Xbox app and Xbox Live cache PC. 1. Press WinR, type WS reset. This resets the Microsoft Store cache. 2. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run PowerShell get AppX package Xbox. Remove AppX package, get AppX package Xbox, add AppX package. 3. Restart PC, relaunch Xbox app. 6. Reinstall gaming services PC only. 1. Open PowerShell as admin. Run PowerShell get AppX package Microsoft.gaming services. Remove AppX package Aluzers start MS Windows-store /PDP equals 9 MWPM2 key. 2. Reinstall gaming services via Microsoft Store. 3. Restart and try signing in again. #7. Temporarily disable firewalls VPN. Disable third-party antivirus firewall. Turn off VPN if active. It might be blocking Microsoft servers.